Groovy Space, and today we are in Heidelberg West, Victoria 3081. We got a first floor unit, first floor abandoned unit, and the loading bay is just here. The cargo lift is here. So the unit is just round the corner. Here. The size of this unit is 2 meter wide, 2 meter deep, and 3 meter high. I'll quickly show you what are some of the goods. It's a used bin. We got a Kogan heater, electric heater, couch, a two single couch, and then behind we got a 3-piece or 4-seater couch, flowery design. Have a close look at the cushion. Okay. Then we got a 2-door fridge, looks pretty old, and we got a top loader washing machine, and the brand is Simpson. The cover needs to be put properly back on. But nothing is tested, so once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's no warranty or guarantee as nothing is tested at all. And behind here we got boxes. They're all empty boxes. Once again, this is in Heidelberg West, Victoria 3081. It's on the first floor. Okay. And thank you. And there's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Thank you again for watching.